Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox error code 16. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to clear Roblox cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox. So over there please select all files and folder and delete it. The second step is to allow Roblox through Windows. For that you need to search for Windows security and enter into the Windows security and choose firewall and allow an app through firewall. Over there please click change settings and scroll down, you may see Roblox. Check whether both private and public are enabled and then click OK. So our third step is to reinstall Roblox. For that you need to enter into your settings and then apps and then installed apps, search for Roblox and uninstall it. Uh, Once you uninstalled your Roblox entirely, please do reinstall the Roblox. Sometimes it may have fixed the corrupted files. So fourth step is to sign out and sign in the Roblox. So for that you need to enter into your Roblox. Over there please enter into your account, click more and then log out. Again log in using your credentials. So our fifth step is to restart Roblox. For that you need to enter into your task manager and end task your Roblox which is running on the background and then newly open the Roblox. So our sixth step is to disable VPN or proxy. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there network and internet, scroll down, you may see proxy, click setup and disable the proxy if it's enabled and then save it. So our last step is to restart your PC. So once you're done, please check whether the issue is solved or not. I hope the issue will be solved and thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, check you. Bye bye.